Hello, my name is Amy Elmore and I'm the coordinator of student life here at WKCTC. I'm here today in the campus cupboard to answer frequently asked questions from our students. One thing I do want to let you know is that our services are confidential and they're free to all currently enrolled students.
What is the campus cupboard?
The campus cupboard is a small food pantry that provides supplemental groceries and personal hygiene items to currently enrolled students who are experiencing shortages with their own supplies.
Is the cupboard open during the pandemic?
Yes, we're open by appointment and we use no contact pickup procedures. So as long as you're currently enrolled at WKCTC, you're eligible to receive supplies one time a month.
How do I make an appointment?
Oh, it's very easy. I'll send you an email with a link to the electronic visitor form that you'll fill out. And then on the form, you'll list 3 dates and times that you're available to pick up your supplies. Then we'll set up a scheduled appointment for you in one of the times that you have listed.
What is included with my supplies?
Well, in addition to the food supplies, the form has a section for you to pick out 5 personal hygiene or household items. This lets us know which items to load in your bags.
What happens if I don't have any way to cook food?
Well, if you let me know ahead of time, then we'll only put food in your bag that doesn't require cooking. After I look over your form and verify your current enrollment, then I'll send you a calendar invite in your school email. Be sure to check your school email for this and accept the calendar invite so that someone will be there at the cupboard to help you when you show up.
Where do I go pick up the items?
You'll pick up the items at the campus cupboard, which is on the back side of the Niemer building. Park next to the loading platform that's close to the building. When you arrive, you'll come knock on the door beside the blue campus cupboard sign. This lets us know that you're here. Then you'll show your student ID or current schedule through the window. Someone will roll a cart out that has your supplies loaded on it, and you'll unload it and bring it back when you're finished. That's all there is to it. Just be sure you watch your email for a calendar invite from me after you've filled out the form.